Hi, this is Polina. Welcome to your practice. Today we're going to do a short breathing exercise, which is called Nadi Shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. This is a simple and yet one of the most powerful breathing technique that is easy to do, and it creates a deeper state of well-being and balance in our body, in our mind, and in our emotions. So this practice also helps to ease our racing thoughts, ground our energy, and balance the right and the left hemispheres of the brain, which is our logical part of the brain and creative and intuitive part of the brain. It also helps to improve the ability to focus. So if you're experiencing anxiety or stress, or you simply want to create a deeper state of balance, this is an effective practice to do. So what happens when we breathe long and deeply through the nostrils is that the whole nervous system is soothed, calmed, and energized at the same time. And that's what creates that sense of well-being and balance. So the beauty of this practice is that anyone can do that and anyone can benefit out of this practice. So what we're going to do, we're going to come into comfortable seat. You might want to sit on the chair or on a couch or on the floor with a crossed leg in front of you, anywhere where you can find your straight back. Heart is open, chest is lifted, so that the diaphragm can move freely up and down, and we can breathe deeply all the way down into the belly. Your left hand is going to be relaxed in your left knee, and you might want to bring it in Gyan Mudra, so index finger and your thumb together. And your right hand, you're going to bend your right index finger and the middle finger, just like that. And with the right thumb, you're going to block your right nostril and inhaling through the left nostril. Then you're going to block your left nostril with the ring finger, just like that, and exhaling through the right nostril. Then we're going to inhale through the right nostril. Block your right nostril with the thumb and exhaling through the left nostril. So when we're gonna do this practice, you're gonna close your eyes and bring your gaze in between your eyebrows. And you're gonna breathe deeply in and out through alternate nostrils. And usually one nostril is a little bit more open than the other one, so just be patient with yourself. So let's dive in and stay here for about 3 minutes. You can do it on your own up to 5-10 minutes, or whichever feels good for you. But even if you have 2 or 3 minutes, you'll feel the benefit out of this practice. So let's come into a comfortable sit. Find your straight back, close your eyes, and just take a moment to connect here. Just observing your breath, observing your inhales and your exhales. And now with the right thumb, block your right nostril and inhale deeply through the left nostril. Then block your left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Exhaling all the air out. Now inhale through the right nostril. And block your right nostril with the thumb. Exhale through your left nostril. Inhaling through the left nostril, nice and deep. Block your left nostril with a ring finger and exhale through the right nostril. Squeezing all the air out. Inhaling through the right nostril. And block your right nostril with a thumb and exhale through the left nostril. Inhaling left nostril all the way down into your belly. Block your left nostril with a ring finger and exhale through the right nostril. And just continue just like that, inhaling right nostril, trying to breathe deeply all the way down into your belly. Blocking your right nostril and exhaling through the left nostril. Nice and slow. Couple more rounds just like that. Inhale left nostril. Block your left nostril and exhale through the right. Inhaling right. And exhaling left. We're gonna do 3 more rounds just like that. Inhaling left. And exhaling right. Inhaling deeply through the right nostril. And exhaling through the left nostril. Nice and slow. Inhaling through the left. And exhaling right. Inhaling through the right nostril. Block your right nostril and exhale through the left. And last round, inhale through the left. Block your left nostril and exhale through the right. Inhaling right. Block your right nostril and exhale all the air out through the left nostril. And then relax your right hand on your knee. Take a deep inhale through both nostrils. Pause your breath on the top. And slowly exhale. And keep your eyes closed for another moment and just observe the effect of this breathing practice. Perhaps sensing a deeper state of balance, calm, or stillness. Noticing the activation of the grounding energy. Beautiful. So only a couple minutes of this breathing practice can make a big difference in your day. Give it a try. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And have a wonderful day.